Good evening, guys. This is Genius Guide tutorial. My name is Leslie. I'll be teaching you guys today on how to solve asymptotes parallel to both x and y axes. Now I have this example. Example one says that find the asymptotes parallel to both x and y axes. In this, y equals x minus 2 all over 2x plus 3. Now solutions to solve this, do what? Cross multiply this. That become, if you cross multiply this, that become y multiply this. That is y bracket 2x plus 3 equal to 1. 1 times s is s. Bring down your minus. 1 times 2 is 2. Now therefore after doing that, to find the parallel to y axis is equate parallel of y to be what? 0, and the parallel of y is equation that has y attached to it. So if you check this, the parallel of y here is this one. So it means I have to equate everything here to be 0. Therefore equating everything here to be 0, that becomes what? 2s plus 3 is equal to what? 0. Now therefore dividing 2s equals what? This crossover becomes what? Minus 3. Therefore divide all through by coefficient of s, all through by 2 and all through by 2. Now therefore s is equals what? Minus 3 over what? 2. Now therefore asymptotes parallel to y is equals to what? S equals minus 3 over what? 2. Now therefore to find to find parallel to find the asymptote parallel to x axis is equate parallel of s to be what? 0. Now therefore that becomes what? To do this, I have to multiply. I have to open this bracket. So if I open this bracket, this becomes what? Y times 2s will give me what? 2xy. Putting your plus, y times 3 will give you what? 3y is equal to what? X minus 2. That is equal to x minus 2. Now therefore after doing that, that becomes what? Collect what? Like terms becoming, I have 2x. Now in collect like term become 2x minus y, and x will move over, becomes minus x is equal to what? Minus 2. 3y move over, becomes minus 3y. Now therefore factorizing this now becomes, what is common here is x. If you factorize this, that becomes x bracket what? 2y minus what? 1. Since if you divide all through here by x, that will give you 2y here, and that will give you 1 is equal to what? Minus 2 minus 3y. Okay. Now therefore to find asymptotes parallel to x is what? Equate the equation that has s attached to it, and the equation that has s attached to it is this one. So it means I have to equate this to be 0. So equating this to be 0 becomes what? 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore divide all through by coefficient. Therefore 2y is equal to what? This crossover becomes what? 1. Therefore after doing that, divide all through by what? Coefficient of y, and the coefficient of y here is what? All through by 2 and all through by 2, and therefore y is equal to what? 1 over 2. Now therefore parallel to x is equal to what? Y equal to what? 1 over what? 2. Now example 2 says that determine the asymptotes of x4 minus 2x3y plus 10x squared minus 7y squared is equal to 0. Now solution to solve this question, if you see that if you watch this question, you can't find any there's no asymptote parallel to any, whether x or y. There's no asymptote parallel to this. So it means that if they give you this kind of question, what do? Equate y to be what? Equate y to be ms plus c. So mean that any place you see y here, put it what? Ms plus c. Now therefore that becomes what? x4 minus 2x cubed bracket y is here become ms plus c close bracket plus 10x squared minus 7 bracket ms plus c all squared. Okay. Now therefore that becomes what? That becomes x4 minus 2x 3 times ms will give you what? 2mx4 minus 2x cubed times will give you 2cs cubed plus 10s squared. Now minus, if you expand this, if you square this, that becomes what? M squared n squared plus 2mcs plus c squared. Now therefore that becomes what? x4 minus 2mx4 minus 2cs cubed plus 10s squared. Now minus 7 times m squared s squared will give you minus 7m squared s squared. Now therefore that becomes what? And minus 7 times 2 will give you minus 14mcx minus, and again minus 7 times c will give you minus 7c squared. Therefore equating, after doing this one, equating the highest what? Power of h to be what? Zeros. Now therefore if you check this, that becomes what? x4 minus 2mx4. So if you place x4 minus 2mx4 minus 2cx3 plus 10s squared minus 7m squared s squared minus 14mcx minus 7c squared. Now Therefore, since they say that equate the highest the two you must equate you must equate the two highest power of x with what zero and if you check in this equation the two highest power if you check in this equation the two highest power of x is x4 and what and x3. No, therefore I have to make equate x4 to be what 0. Now therefore if you check this now those you collect like times those that has the power of x4 those that have the power of x4 is x4 and this that becomes x4 minus 2m x4. Now therefore if you factorize this now that becomes what divide through by if you factorize this is what's common here is x4. So if you factorize this now that becomes what x4 divided by x4 give you 1. x4 divided by 2m x4 give you what 2m. Therefore that becomes what equating this 0 become 1 minus 2m is equal to 0. Now therefore minus 2m is equal to this 1 crossover becomes a minus it becomes a minus 1. Now therefore the divide by coefficient of minus m the by coefficient of m is minus 2 minus 2. Though if you cancel out m equals 1 over 2. So after that now you take the next highest power of x is cube, that is minus 2c x cube. So if you take it now therefore if you factorize x cube out that become minus 2c. Therefore equating this 0 becoming minus 2c is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to what 0 divided by coefficient of c which is 0 divided by minus 2 will give you what 0. Now therefore putting m equals 1 over 2 and c equals to 0 in the formula y equal to ms plus c. So therefore it becomes y is equals to what 1 over 2 times x will give s over 2 now plus where c is what 0. Now therefore y is equals to what s over 2. This is what final word answer. Please guys, if you find this video very interesting and helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.